So I made it back to the office, and for the life of me, I'm glad I got a backup pen in my bag, because for the life of me, I mean, geez Louise, I can't find my pen that I always use. Oh, I didn't put the key up. I could probably back it up a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. So I need to get home and do my paperwork at the house. Nobody here to take me home, because I could probably ask somebody to take me home if they can, but nobody's up here, so. But yeah, when I was at the nail yard, I don't know where it went, but I lost my pen. A nice pen that I use at the nail yard. Don't know where it went. But luckily I had a backup pen so I can write down stuff that I need. So I'm heading home now because we're about to have some storms here, and I need to head home before the storms start, because the storms followed me all the way from Waco. So yeah, yay. I mean, look how pretty the skies are. So yeah, it's windy. Then I got caught in traffic. I love it when I get caught in traffic. But see, whenever I get my own car, then I could probably stay through the storm. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. So, but it also depends on how bad the storm's gonna get. So, I don't know.